My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Volvo V90 D4R design. This vehicle has done just over 55,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the first page of our screen we have applications. This includes our car status, driver performance, Spotify and park and pay. On the next page we have Bluetooth, radio and navigation. Finally we have our car functions. This includes park assist and connected safety. The V90 also comes with 3 different driver modes to choose from. So we have Eco for efficient drive, Comfort for everyday use and Dynamic for high performance. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.